stock Varg is going road legal, or technically it could be road legal. The new version, the Varg EX, has an upgraded kilowatt battery from 6.8 to 7.2, and a rear wheel which is 18 inches instead of the motocross style 19-inch. So technically you can put some road legal rubber on it. And here we go. This is where everything starts happening. They're going for the extra bit of market share. I mean, technically, you could have bought one before and just put on a supermoto wheel and done this. But if this is coming with an 18-inch rim already, all you have to do is buy the tire, a little bit cheaper. Who knows how much this is going to cost? But apparently, with the new battery, it says, I'm reading this from MCM, so Motorcycle News. It says a ride time of 1.3 to 6 hours. So I'm assuming that means if you're riding on the road, you can probably do it somewhere between the 4 to 6 hour range. If you're on a trail, you're probably going to be down to the 1.3 with all the power. I don't know, man. I get Vargs. I think it's super cool. I would love to ride one. I think it's a very neat thing. I don't think they're going to be very good for the road. Being absolutely silent, no one's going to know you're there, and it's going to be an absolute problem, I think, personally. Uh, Especially with the amount of power these things have, considering was 80 horsepower, 79 brake horsepower. That's what this says. I'm reading this now. Speaking of output, the Varg EX comes in two options. The 59 costing $10,900, or for an extra 1,000, you can go for apparently what they're calling the full fat alpha mode. 79 brake horsepower for an extra $1,000, so that'd bring you to 11,900. And I think this is awesome. It's obviously one of those things. Arena Cross has their own series for it now. Soon, I'm assuming you're gonna have to see it in some sort of motocross and or the supercross platform. And I don't think they're going away anytime soon. This does not seem like a company and or a bike that is going to go the way of like Alta or some of the other electric bikes that have come around. It seems to be pretty well embedded. As everything I've seen from people who've ridden it, I think or sound like it is just an incredible thing to ride. You can go all the way from a like 125 power to, I mean, 80 brake horsepower is almost like a 600 kind of street bike kind of power. But I think it's cool. We're gonna see how this goes, see how it actually works road legal wise, because obviously this thing does not have turn signals and or headlight or brake light, and so that would be one thing you'd have to add. But I don't know. That's why I'm leaving you guys. Comment down below. Have you ever ridden one? Do you want to ride one? Do you think it'd be good on the road? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.